In this tutorial, I'll be sharing how to make this macrame star pattern. I made mine into a keychain, but you can also use them as ornaments during the holidays. Here are the materials needed for this project, so feel free to pause here. Let's get started. Start with the keychain clasp itself and grab one of the 60-inch strings. Fold the first string in half and attach it to the base of the keychain using a reverse lark's head knot. Next, go ahead and grab a second 60-inch string. Find its halfway point and place it underneath the first strings, right at the base of the keychain. Use the left side of this new string to tie a single clove hitch knot around the string that's on the left side of the keychain. Then use the right end of this new string to tie a clove hitch knot around the string on the right side. Now you'll have 4 strings hanging from the keychain. Take the string that's on the top left side and cross it downward over the bottom left string, then use the bottom left string to tie a clove hitch knot. Now go ahead and repeat that step on the opposite side. It's now time to add in another 60-inch string, so again find its halfway point and place that underneath the center 2 strings, right beneath the last knots. Use the left side of the new string to tie a clove hitch knot around the left side of the old string, and the new right string to tie a clove hitch around the right side. Now there will be 6 strings total. Take the string on the top left side and cross it downward over the next 2 strings on the left, then use those 2 strings to tie 2 clove hitch knots. Now repeat this step on the right side. It's time to add in the last string, so I'm adding it the same way as I've added the last 2 strings, by placing it underneath the center cords and tying a clove hitch knot on each side. This completes the first point, or in other words, arm of the star, and now we'll create the second point on the right side. Start with the center right cord, picking it up and directing it upwards over the other 3 strings on the right. Then tie a row of 3 clove hitch knots that are parallel to the last row. For the next row, skip the first string and pick up the second string. This will be the lead cord for the next set of 2 clove hitch knots. Go ahead and tie those 2 knots over the lead cord. The last row will consist of only 1 clove hitch knot, so use the 3rd string from the left and cross it over the last string, then tying a single clove hitch knot over it. Pick up the cord furthest to the right and direct it back to the left. Then tie 1 clove hitch knot over it using the next string over. Again, pick up the cord that is now furthest to the right and direct it left over the other cords. Use the next 2 strings from it to tie 2 clove hitch knots. For a 3rd time, pick up the cord that's now furthest on the right and direct it left over the other cords. Now use the next 3 strings to tie 3 clove hitch knots. So that completes the second arm of the star, and for the remaining 3 arms, you're going to use the same method that we've used for this last one. I'm going to pause my narration for the remaining 3 sections so that you can follow along at your own pace, pausing or slowing down the video as needed. Now that all 5 points of the star are finished, we're going to flip the project over to the back side to secure the ends with a gathering knot. So cut a fresh string to 20 inches in length and fold one end so that one side is only a few inches long. Place this loop over all of the loose strings. Then take the longer end and wrap it around 3 or 4 times over the remaining cords. Once you're done wrapping, thread the end through the bottom of the loop and pull it through. Pull the end of the string that's on top tightly to secure the knot. Trim off the top of the string that was used for the gathering knot.